Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a BMW E46 guys. This one will be the 3 Series BMW from year 1998 to year 2006 guys. And we'll show you if you guys have a code P0050 oxygen sensor, bank 2, sensor 1, what causes that, how to check it out, and how to test the component, where it's located and what needs to be done to replace it. In addition guys, all the tools and parts that we use, you can find them listed in the description of the video below. So, we guys have more than 200 videos on this car. Why? Because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. So, in return guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below. So let's start on it now. So, I'm going to go ahead, start the car. Check it out now guys. Okay, we're going to have the engine light on. Okay, you can see engine light guys. Okay, stays on no matter. Okay, no matter what we do, it just stays on. So, what I'm going to do now guys, okay, we're going to turn the car off, turn the ignition only, okay. This is the computer that I will be using right here by Foxwell. You can find this one listed in the description of the video below. This is a super powerful computer that works on any car, and you can diagnose the engine, airbag system, ABS system, check battery, CVT, automatic transmissions. Okay, let me just show you a few things that it supports. It's amazing, amazing product. Steering angle sensor, TPMS, throttle position sensor, quite a few things guys that you can calibrate and check this. Check out with this computer. So I have it connected to the OBD port of the car, okay, right there. And now guys, I'll just click okay right here, OBD, select this one, and it's loading all the data now. It reads the different protocols, and it's going to connect to the one that is supported by the vehicle. Okay, and in our case it's this one right here. You can see it got a little bit slower, so that's the one that it's speaking now. And in a little bit it's going to give us all the information here. It will be any minute now. Okay, perfect. You can see codes found 1, ML status, okay, MU status, that's the engine light on. So I'll click enter. We're going to go to the module. We'll select read codes. And under read codes we'll see under stored codes what we can find, and the code that we have is P0050 oxygen sensor, heater control circuit, bank 2, sensor 1 guys. Okay, that's our problem right there. So what I'm going to do now, I'll click back again, and we'll go under live data here. We're going to go ahead guys, okay. In order to test your oxygen sensor, you have to make sure that the engine is warmed up. That way you will get an accurate reading. And we're going to compare sensor bank 1 and bank 2. Bank 1 is for cylinder 1, 2 and 3. Bank 2 is for cylinder 4, 5 and 6. And they should give almost identical diagrams. And if one is bad, you're going to see it's not going to give us a good diagram. So I'm going to go right here and we'll select oxygen sensor current, bank 1, sensor 1, bank 2, sensor 1, this is the bad sensor. We'll select this one, and then we'll go and select bank 1, sensor 1, okay, over there. And we'll click, okay, view data, and okay, let me start the car now. And when I start the car guys, okay, the first few seconds, or if the engine is not warmed up, the first few minutes, the data might look the same. It won't be moving because it's adjusting all the values, and when it warms up, then it starts reading the data from the oxygen sensor. But right now, our engine is warmed up, so let me show you guys, okay, what is happening here now. Okay, this is the bad sensor. Okay, sensor 2, the good one is sensor bank 2, sensor 1. Is the bad sensor, bank 1, sensor 1 is the good one. So the bottom one is the good one, the top one is the bad one. And when I give it gas, you can see the bottom one changes, the top one doesn't. I'm going to go to click one graph here now, 2 graphs, okay. And this is the good sensor on the bottom, this is the bad one. Check it out how the good one, okay, changes and goes up and down when I rev the engine up. Okay, and the sensor will go up and down. And the bad one, guys, it doesn't do anything. This is bank 2 sensor 1, bank 1 sensor 1. So what is causing that now, guys? Okay, we're going to show you in just a minute. So I'm going to just turn the ignition off quick, and I will show you what we'll be doing now. So we have the hood open of the vehicle now, guys. I removed the cover, okay, for the ignition coils right here. You can check it out on the channel if you don't know how to, but there is 2 caps that you remove, and there is 2 nuts with 10mm. You remove it and you pull it out. And this is the cover for the oxygen sensor and ignition coil for oxygen sensor and fuel injectors. It has 2 plastic covers. You remove those, and then you have 2 bolts that you need to remove. And after that now, let me show you. Okay, right here on the engine, guys, cylinder 1, 2 and 3 is bank 1, cylinder 4, 5 and 6 is bank 2. So the oxygen sensor that we're looking at now that's bad is on bank 2, guys, so it's towards the back. Oxygen sensor bank 1, okay, is this guy, okay, down there. Okay, you can see it. Let me grab something to point at and show you what we're using to remove and replace oxygen sensors as well, guys. Okay, so let me find now a screwdriver that we need to get, and I'm going to get the socket to show you which socket we use for replacing oxygen sensor, because this is one of the easiest things to do. Now, the bad sensor in our case, okay, this is the good sensor, bank 1, bank 2, okay, the sensor is all the way back there, okay, this thing right there. This is the bad sensor. Sensor 1 is upstream oxygen sensor. This is the one before the catalytic converter. And bank 2 means it's on cylinder 4, 5 and 6. And if you come to your engine right here, it will be that cable for bank 2. This is for bank 2, this is for bank 1. And all we have to do, just pull it out. Okay, you disconnect it here, guys. You disconnect the cable. And if you cannot reach the wires, okay, they just clip towards the back. Okay, you can see it goes around and comes down. You can remove the cabin air filter bracket here and have more room, but it's doable without doing it. And this is the socket, guys, that we use. This is the oxygen sensor socket. This is amazing too, and if you're replacing oxygen sensor socket, you will need that thing. It has a special canal that the wires go through. It's super sturdy. We've used it for more than a year probably now, and we haven't broken it, so I'm surprised. You can find it listed in the description of the video below. Also, the sensor for that car will be listed, the replacement new sensor and where we buy them from, in the description of the video as well. In some cases you might need to remove the secondary air pump if it's in the way, so we can reach things, but it's doable, guys, definitely doable. So that's how you guys do it. We'll have a complete video for replacing all oxygen sensor coming soon. If you need to see that, check it out. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and see you guys next time.